This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Dana Dickens. Comfortable, inviting home with exceptional waterfront views, luxurious appointments, dock, boathouse/lift, and located in golf cart legal Eclipse. Cellar designed/built with open/easy living floor plan, every room enjoying the fabulous view. The 1,600 square feet deck offers panoramic views of the harbor from JRB to Harbourview. 7-wide pier leads to boathouse and lift with easy access to all HR. Great room features lots of glass, beautiful built-ins, fireplace, and hardwood floors. The eat-in kitchen opens to dining and great rooms, features granite, new stainless appliances, new wine cooler, lots of cabinet space with pull-outs in most. The primary ensuite has curb-less shower, heated floors, lots of closet space including chandelier and hers closet. The Frog can be game room, ensuite with heated floors or an office with commanding view. 1,800 square feet of dry basement has multiple uses, has a golf simulator. 2-desk office with built-ins. 4-zone HVAC, crown molding and goodies. For more information, review the details below.